Oh, hello. Today we are coming from my garage. I'm actually in the process of changing the oil on the car, but while I'm changing on the Porsche 911, but while I'm changing the oil, I'm going to go ahead today and I'm going to clean out the filters. It's been a little while. So I have the FabSpeed Motorsport, cold air intake, which has the carbon fiber, funnel for the air, and it also has like a little heat shield. But these are the filters. These are dry filters. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm removing both of these in order to clean them. These will come right out. So I'm going to take a look at them, and they're not too bad. There's no like big debris in there, but they haven't been cleaned in a while, so I might as well. I don't like the fact that you can't see too much light coming through them. So we're going to go ahead and clean that today. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to obviously first just kind of tap it all around and get rid of any big debris. And then from there, just take a brush to get in between all the little pleats. Get a lot of that big dirt out. All right, the next step is going to be, I'm going to be using I use the AEM. It's a dry flow air filter cleaner. And what we're going to do is we're going to just douse as much as we can the whole filter, so it's totally saturated with this cleaning product. All right, so now we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to rinse these out on the inside out. All right, so I have shaken these off as much as I could. There's really no more water coming out of them. I'm going to let them dry. I'm going to sit them in the sun a little bit. There's still a little bit of daylight here. So I'm going to set them out and let them air dry for a while before I put them back on. But if you can see, they're a lot cleaner than they used to be. There's almost like a blue color coming back to this that you couldn't see before. So, the next step would just be reinstalling. So the next step would just be, once these are dry, a couple hours, just reinstalling these. Same thing, just using those clamps, and you should be good to go. You can see these say FabSpeed on the bottom, and these come with that kit. They're in pretty good shape, but now I can definitely see more light. When I put it up to the light, I can see the light coming through it, which I couldn't really see before. So it's a huge difference, and hopefully I'll notice a little bit of a performance gain. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to put these back on. Just got to put this clamp back on it first. I'm going to tug on them a little bit, making sure they're not going anywhere. Cold start on a Porsche 911. All right, well, that's been the process of cleaning a dry air filter on a Porsche 911, but this works pretty much for any car. So if you need to change, make sure that it's a dry air filter. If not, it needs to be oiled. Most of the K&N filters are oiled, so you'll have to, do a different procedure for that. But for the Porsche 911, the filters are clean. Definitely, I feel I've been driving the car around. I actually do seem to feel a difference in performance because obviously the engine's breathing better. But I hope it helps you out. You know, it's something that it's a regular maintenance thing, but it's something small, but definitely makes a difference. But anyways, I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe, follow, like, and comment, hit the notification bell. Thank you. Take care.